Welcome back, guys. So today is a day where we attempt to turn on this car. So I'm gonna start off by filling up my radiator. I already put oil in my motor and tranny and a new filter, and I need to install my throttle cable. And then let's see, I think that's it. So I already installed my fuel line. It's kind of ghetto right now, but it's just temporary as of now. If you guys saw the last video, I finished installing my radiator. So I'm about to put some coolant, and my reservoir is right there. So it's mounted like that. It looks pretty nice. I like it right there. Anyways, let's go ahead and fill this baby up and install my cables, and let's see if this car will turn on today. So stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, I'm super excited right now. I think it's ready to turn on. I do have a battery, but it's like super dead. I should have just brought it to O'Reilly's and charged it. It's been sitting for who knows how long. But I'm gonna bring my truck right here, and I'm just gonna jumper cable it and see if it'll have enough power to turn on this baby. So let's go ahead and move my truck right here. We'll jumper cables, and I'll post you guys right here, and we'll see what happens, guys.
Almost there! Is it open? Oh, there's no throttle. Oh my god. Nice. Of course, the throttle body.